happy birthday.
Happy to
Keep going.
happy to happy to
Happy birthday.
Jonas, how old are you going to be on your birthday? You're going to be 2. Very good. And what are you going to get on your birthday? A Nemo cake. That's right. And we're going to sing happy birthday to you. Yeah.
Happy money.
Not my birthday. Can you sing Old MacDonald? Can you sing Single Ladies? Oh. Do that part. Very good. Blow a kiss. Good job.